all these numbers here are factors of 50. 50, 25, 10, 5, 2, 1 are all factors of 50. Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary. Today we are going to be learning how to find factors and prime factors of numbers. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Remember in the last class on how to write small numbers, I gave you some couple of home tasks, and these are the answers to those home tasks. The final answer to the first question is 0.48. The final answer to the second question is 0.056 or 0.56. The final answer to the third question is 0.06 or 0.06. The final answer to the last question is 0.0002 or 0.0002. Now let's get back to the topic of today, how to find factors and prime factors of numbers. Before we start, it's very, very important that you get what exactly a factor is. If a number, for example 10, is divided by 2 without a remainder, that is, you count 10, then you now divide it by 2, and there is no remainder after dividing, then 2 is a factor of 10. What I mean is 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5, right? With no remainder, because 2 times 5 gives us 10. You can see 10 divided by 2 is 5, and there's no remainder. That means 2 is a factor of 10. 2 is a factor of 10. 10 all over 5 is equals to 2 with no remainder. Therefore, 5 is a factor of 10. 10 divided by 4 is equals to 2, but remainder 2, that is, it has a remainder 2. That means 4 is not a factor of 10. It's not a factor of 10. So we understand now what factors are. Alright, now let's go to the next one. Now let's do some couple of examples. Write 50 as a product of two factors in 6 ways. What this basically means is that look for two numbers that you can multiply together to give you 50. Now let's just try it out. 50, to get 50, 50 times 1 gives us 50. 25 times 2 gives us 50. 10 times 5 gives us 50. 5 times 10 gives us 50. 2 times 25 give us 50. 1 times 25 give us 50. What that means is this is the product of two factors giving us 50. Product of two factors giving us 50. What it means is that all these numbers here are factors of 50. 50, 25, 10, 5, 2, 1 are all factors of 50. Now let us do a question. Find 4 of the factors of the following number. Find only 4 of the factors of the following number. Now to do that, all we have to do is that we have to look for two numbers to multiply together to give us this number, to get the factors of this number. For example, 20. How do we find the factors? Okay, what do we multiply together to give us 20? 1 times 20 gives us 20. 2 times 10 gives us 20. 4 times 5 gives us 20. So what it means is that 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are all what? Are all factors of 20. Very simple. Now let's go to the next question. 32. To find the factors of 32, all you have to do is just look for factors or look for numbers that you multiply together to give you 32, to get the factors of 32. So 1 times 32 gives us 32. 2 times 16 gives us 32. 4 times 8 gives us 32. Once you know your multiplication table, it will be easy for you to do. So now, what it means is that 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 are all factors of what? 32. Now let's do the next question. What are the factors of 60? All you have to do is just find out two numbers that you multiply together to give you 60. 1 times 60 gives us 60. 2 times 30 gives us 60. 3 times 20 gives us 60. 4 times 15 gives us 60. 5 times 12 gives us 60. 6 times 10 gives us 60. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60 are all factors of 60.